If you're tired of bland, boring snacks and ready to level up your healthy lifestyle with real food, you're in the right place. Welcome to a flavor-packed, energy-boosting, totally guilt-free world of plant-based snacks, healthy bites with carrots and hummus. This is not just another food video. It is your ultimate solution for satisfying cravings while fueling your body with goodness. Let's get real, we all snack. Whether you're repowering through a midday slump or trying not to inhale a bag of chips at 10 p.m., the snacks you choose matter. They can either derail your health goals or become your secret weapon. And today, we're handing you that weapon, one crunchy bite at a time. Imagine a snack so simple, so clean, so ridiculously delicious. It'll make you forget every overprocessed bar you've ever eaten. Crunchy, sweet carrots paired with creamy, zesty hummus. It's the perfect marriage of texture, taste, and nutrition. This isn't just a snack. It's a lifestyle shift waiting to happen. Still not convinced? Let's break it down. These little orange sticks of magic carrots are loaded with vitamin A, antioxidants, fiber, and natural sweetness. They help improve your skin, support eye health, and even boost your immune system. And when you dip them into homemade hummus, you're adding a powerful punch of protein, heart-healthy fats, and plant-based iron from chickpeas and tahini. You're not just snacking, you're fueling your brain, your body, and your goals. In a world of expensive health foods, mystery ingredients, and hidden sugars, this snack cuts through the noise. You can whip it up in minutes, store it for the week, and take it anywhere. Whether you're meal prepping, road tripping, or just watching Netflix, these bites are your new ride or die. And the best part, you control every single ingredient. No preservatives, no junk, just fresh, real food that makes you feel alive. Now, before we dive into the recipe, here's the challenge. Don't just watch, take action. Hit that subscribe button to join a community of smart snackers and health hackers. Smash that like if you're tired of complicated recipes and just want real food fast. Tap the bell icon so you never miss another life-changing food idea. Drop a comment below and tell us your favorite plant-based snack. We might feature it next. Now, let's get to the magic. Recipe: carrots and homemade hummus, plant-based power snack. Ingredients for the hummus: 1 can 15 ounces chickpeas, drained and rinsed to TBSP, tahini to TBSP, olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 garlic clove, 1/2 TSP ground cumin, salt to taste, 2 to 4 TBSP cold water for blending. For the snack plate, 2 to 3 large carrots, peeled and cut into sticks, optional garnish, paprika, parsley, drizzle of olive oil. Instructions: in a food processor, combine chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, cumin, and salt. Blend until it forms a smooth paste. Add cold water gradually to achieve your desired consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning. Serve in a bowl, drizzled with olive oil, sprinkled with paprika and parsley if desired. Plate it with fresh carrot sticks and get snacking. This is more than just food. It's your go-to when energy drops, when hunger hits, when temptation calls. It's a recipe that empowers you to take control of your health without sacrificing joy. So if you're ready to snack smarter, this is your moment. Watch the full video now. Share this recipe with someone who's still reaching for the vending machine. Become the healthiest version of you, one bite at a time. Because healthy doesn't have to be hard, it just has to be real.